Question number 2 of exercise 5.2 is choose the correct choice in the following. And first part is 30th term of AP 10, 7, 4 and so on is, and options are 97, 77 and minus 77. Student, here AP is given that 10, 7, 4 and so on, and we have to find the 30th term. As you can see from this AP, here the first term is 10, it means the value of A will be 10, and the common difference D. For finding the common difference, we will subtract this first term from this second term. It means 7 minus 10. What we will get? We will get minus 3, and N. We have to find 30th term. So the value of N will be 30. And we will use the same formula, AN equal A plus N minus 1 into D. Then we will substitute the values. A13 equal, the value of A is 10 plus the value of N is 30 minus 1 into D means minus 3. We will use here bracket because the value of D is negative. 10 plus as it is 30 minus 1, it means 29. 29 into minus 3. 10 plus minus minus. Now we will multiply this 29 by 3. 9 3s are 27. 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 2, what we will get? 87. Now we will subtract this plus minus minus, and after subtraction we will get minus 77. So the 30th term will be minus 77. Which option is correct? Yes, this C option is correct. Second question is 11th term of the AP minus 3 minus 1 by 2 is, and options are 28, 22 and minus 38. Here the given AP is minus 3, minus 2, 2 and so on. First we will write the values of A, D and N. Here the value of A, it means first term is minus 3. D, how we will find D? We will subtract this minus 3 from this minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3. For that we will take LCM because both are unlike terms. Minus 1, minus 3 2s are 6 and we will get, student, then we will find D. How we will find D? We will subtract this first term from this second term. Second term is your minus 1 by 2, subtraction sign. Then first we will write first term. First term is negative, so we will use here bracket minus 1 by 2 minus minus plus 3. For simplifying this, we will take LCM. Minus 1 plus 3 2s are 6. And when you subtract this plus minus minus, we will get 5 by 2. So the value of D is here 5 by 2. Okay student. And N. What is N here? We have to find 11th term. So N will be 11. Now we will apply the same formula. AN equal A plus N minus 1 into D. The value of A is here minus 3 plus N minus 1. 11 minus 1 into D. It means 5 by 2. Minus 3 as it is. 11 minus 1 into 10. 5 by 2. As you can see, this 10 is cancelled out with this 2. 2 5s are 10. And what we will get? We will get A11 equal minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. Plus minus minus 25 minus 3, what we will get? We will get 22. So which option is correct? Yes, B option is correct. Question number 3 is, in the following APs, find missing terms in the boxes. As you can see in this first part, student, there are 3 terms. 2, then blank, this value we have to find, and then 26. There are only 3 terms. Okay, it means here the first term is 2 and first and last term is your 26. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 terms. And last term, it means third term. Third term is denoted by A3 equals to 26. These values are given here and we have to find this, what will be the second term. Again, we will use all this given part, student, and for finding the value of this second term, how we can proceed? For finding the second term, A2, as we know, the second term is equal to, from the general form, A2 is given by A plus D. So, here we know the value of A, but we don't know about the value of D. So, we have to find the value of D first, then we will find the second term. So, here the third term is 26. As we know from the general form, third term is your A plus 2D, which is equals to 26. It is given that here the value of A is 2. So we can substitute in place of A2, 2D equal 26. Then we will shift this 2 from left hand side to right hand side, and we will get 2D equal 26 minus 2. And then we will subtract, and we will get 2D equal 26 minus 2. We will get 24. D equal 24 upon 2. We will shift this 2 from left hand side to right hand side, and then we cancel out. What we will get? We will get D equal 12. Now we can easily find the value of this second term. Second term equal A plus D, and the value of A, which is already given, 2, and the value of, then we will substitute the value of D. The value of D is 12, and the addition of 2 and 12 will be 14. So for this particular question in this box, which number will come? Yes, 14 will come. How you can check your answer is correct or not, student? Just subtract this 14 minus 2. What you will get? 12. And as we already find the value of D as 12, it means our answer is correct. Second question is black box 13, then again next blank box, and last term is your 3. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Here the value of n is 4. First term is missing. Second term, it means the value of A2 is given 13. Third term is also missing, and the fourth term is given here 3. So with the help of this second term and fourth term and the value of n, we will find the first term and third term. Student, how we can find? Second term is given here 13, and from the general form of an AP, as we know, second term we can write as A plus D, which is equal to 13. Okay, and here what is given? Fourth term is equals to 3. And fourth term, how we can write? A plus 3D equals to 3. It means we are having two equations. This one is your equation number 1, and this one is your equation number 2. Now we will simplify these two equations by any of the method. We can use here elimination method, which we learned in chapter 3. Okay, student? So we will apply elimination method for finding the values of A and D here. First equation is A plus D equal to 13. Second equation is A plus 3D equal 3. Obviously, we will subtract these two equations. So, sign will change. This plus A cancel with this minus A. Then plus D minus 3D. What we will get? We will get minus 2D equals 2. 13 minus 3. What we will get? We will get 10. So, minus 2D equals to 10, then D equals to 10 upon minus 2, then we will cancel out this and we will get 5 upon minus 1, and this 5 upon minus 1 can be written as minus 5. So the value of D is here minus 5. Now we will find the value of A. Now in this first equation, we will substitute the value of D. A plus within bracket minus 5 equals to 13. Then A equals to, this minus 5 will shift into right hand side, and we will get 13 plus 5, which is equals to 18. So we find the value of A as well as the value of D. Now, So the value of A will be 13 plus 5 equals to 18. This one is our first one. First term of this AP, which is equal to 18. Now we will find third term. We know, student, third term is written as A plus 2D. Value of A is 18 plus 2 into the value of D, as we find already, minus 5. 18 plus minus minus, 5 2s are 10, and when we subtract this we will get 8. So the third term will be 8. Next question is 5, 2 blank boxes, and last term is 9, 1 by 2. Again there are 4 terms here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So n equal 4, and first term is given here. First term is your 5, A equal 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. And fourth term is given that 9, 1 by 2, which is in the form of mixed fraction. We will convert it into improper fraction. How we can convert this? First we will multiply these two numbers. 9 2s are 18 and 18 plus 1. 19 by 2. This one is our fourth term. Now with the help of these values, we will find second and third term. Here fourth term is 19 by 2. And from the general form, fourth term can be written as A plus 3D equals to 19 by 2. The value of A is here 5. We will substitute this value. 5 plus 3D equal 19 by 2. Then we will shift this plus 5 from left hand side to right hand side, and we will get 3D equal 19 by 2 minus 5. For solving this, we will take LCM and we will get 3D equal, LCM will be 2, 19 minus 5 2s are 10. 3D equal 19 minus 10. It means 9 by 2. Then D equal, we will shift this 3, which is in multiply, into right hand side. Okay, now we will cancel out this. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So the value of D is 3 by 2. With the help of this value, now we can easily find second term and third term. Second term, as we know, student, from the general form, second term can be written as A plus D. Value of A is 5 and that value of D is 3 upon 2. For solving this, again we will take LCM. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 equals to 10 plus 3, 13 by 2. This is our second term, 13 by 2. Now we will find third term. Third term. Third term can be written as A plus 2D. Value of A is 5 plus 2 into D. The value of D is 3 by 2. This 2 cancel with this 2. What will remain? 5 plus 3, which is equals to 5 plus 3. It means 8. So the value of this third term will be 8. Since, student, in this question, your fourth term is in the form of mixed fraction, and as we find our second term, 13 by 2, which is an improper fraction. So we will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. How we can? For that, we will divide this 13 by 2. 2 6 are 12, and what will remain? Remainder will be 1. So how we can write this? We will write 6 1 by 2. 6 1 by 2. So second term in the form of mixed fraction will be 6 1 by 2. So in place of 13 by 2, we can write 6 1 by 2. Yes, students, fourth part is, first term is given here minus 4 and last term is given here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means there are 6 terms in this question. First term is -4 and last term is 6. With the help of these values, we will find second, third, fourth and fifth term. First, we will find D. Here, sixth term is 6. Sixth term can be written as A plus 5D equals 6. The value of A is -4 plus 5D equals 6. Then we will shift this -4 into right hand side. We will get 6 plus 4. Then 5D equals 6 plus 4, it means 10. And then D equal 10 upon 5. This 5 when shift into right hand side, it will come in denominator. Then we will cancel out this. The value of D is 2. Now with the help of this value, we can easily find second, third, fourth and fifth terms. First we will find second term, A2. A2 equal A plus D. A is -4, D is 2. Plus minus, minus, and what we will get? We will get second term as -2. Okay student? Then third term, A3 equal. Direct, if you add this D into second term, you will get the third term. Or you can substitute A3 equal A plus 2D and then you will substitute the values of A and D. In that way also you can find the third term. But this is the short way student for solving this. Just you have to add this D into second term. Okay. And second term is -2 and D is your 2. What we get? We will get this -2 cancel with this +2 and we will get A3 as 0. So the third term is 0. Now we will find fourth and fifth term also. For finding fourth term, just in third term you have to add D. Third term is 0. D, the value of D is what? The value of D is 2. So when you add this, you will get fourth term as 2. Then we will find fifth term. For finding fifth term, we will add D in this fourth term. The fourth term is your 2 and the value of D is 2. So addition will be 4. Fifth term is 4. Fourth term is your 2 and fifth term is your 4. Fourth question is, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Here we have to find the number of terms. It means we have to find the value of n. So let's start the solution. First we will write what is AP. Here AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. As you can see here student, A is here 3, first term. For finding D, we will subtract this first term from this second term. 8 minus 3, what we will get? We will get 5. And which term of the AP is 78? It means here let's suppose nth term is 78. So an equals 78. And what we have to find? We have to find the value of n here. Again we will apply the same formula. An equal A plus n minus 1 into D. In place of an, what we will substitute? We will substitute 78. Value of A is 3 and we have to find. We will write as it is and the value of D is 5. Let's simplify this. For simplifying this, first we will shift this plus 3 from right hand side to left hand side. Then we will get 78 minus 3 equal n minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3, what we will get? We will get 75 equal n minus 1 into 5. Then, as you can see, this 5 is in multiply form with this n minus 1. So, we will shift this 5 from right hand side to left hand side. So, it will come in the denominator n minus 1 as it is. Now, we will cancel out this. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. 15 equal n minus 1. Now, we will shift this minus 1 into left hand side and we will get 15 plus 1 equal n. N equal 15 plus 1, it means 16. It means 16th term of this AP will be 75.